We dream a lot. We dream about the compass. We dream about old objects. We dream about circuits or the liminal space. As you can see, the current AIGC models will give you lots of image or video. But how can this pipeline contribute to our traditional photographers or live footage shooters? This is my plugin. I'll introduce you my plugin DreamCore. As you can see, the DreamCore version is 1.4.0 here. You have a very good AI advisor, also filters, black diffusion, white diffusion filters, generative effects, echo, depth haze, VHS, film grain, primary grading. We give you like a 57 built-in LUTs, contain KingHu, you know, the famous wuxia director. So let me introduce this plugin to you. First of all, you need to set up the correct color pipeline. This footage is a red Log3 G10 footage. You need to set up the correct CST node here. And then back to editing page, you can also work in the color page. Depends on you. And you can use like this, reset all presets, then analyze the frame. The AI model will calculate the parameters for you and give you the preset suggestion. All the presets are not hard-coded because it's from the AI model calculation. Like here, the AI model suggests you to use a digital weird core. Like if you apply preset, voila, you have the plugin effect. You see here some VHS effects, damage tap effects. Also, it will automatically using the cyberpunk normal LUTs give you a purple bluish digital weird core effect. If you don't like this, you can switch to surreal void. Apply the presets. This surreal effect will give you like dreamy feeling. And also the Kong liminal, green and bluish, a bit low saturated, and a very good starting point of your color or DreamCore pipeline. You don't have to be a very good colorist from the help of the AI advisor of my plugin. Okay, the next section is the primary grading. It's very easy to understand. It's a 32-bit color depth pipeline. It's a non-destructive color pipeline. You can use this section to adjust your footage at a primary grading stage. And also, these parameters serve good to the AI advisor. The AI advisor will utilize these parameters to give you the primary grading effect. And the next section is the look LUT. You have basic LUTs, several options. You have the AR-inspired LUTs, about 40 options. And also you have KingHu, as you know, Hu Jinquan's LUTs. You have wuxia style. You see here, like the ending of the Zen of Blade. Okay, the next section is the filters, the black diffusion and the white diffusion effects. The black diffusion will work well for the net shots. You see here, if you use a higher grade of the black diffusion, let me switch to English. You see the highlight part will be very nice. If you don't have this plugin's black diffusion turned on, the highlights will not be that smooth. And the next section is the VHS section. You have the presets. Like here, you switch to the NTSC tab. And then voila, you have the broken tab image. You adjust the mask here. This is a 4:3 ratio. You have a 4:3 ratio NTSC. You can adjust the round corners. and the mask scale. You also have sections for scanline. You have the arc sharp. You have a softer. You can reduce the damage of the lines. You can adjust the noise and the broken colors. You see, if you increase the colors, the color will show you as the broken, very old style tab, color reduced result. The VHS has a lot of options. It's good to explore. Okay, the next section is the film grain. The film grain is easy to understand. If you apply the film grain and the image will have the moving grain, it's a very good starting point to give you a natural film like style. You have options, Kodak 250 and the Trix 400, like this is a single colored grain. And also Super 8, this grain is large, it's huge. You see it's like this. Okay, the next one is the echo function. If you enable echo, you see as After Effects Premiere, the echo effects to create overlay effects. This section will behave like this. If you play it, you have the echo function. If you turn off the frame random hold, you have smooth overlay effects. If you turn the random hold, it will create a starting effect. Okay, you have also the additive effects. You have some decay. If you reduce decay, you use add. You can better see the characters here on the shot. Okay, the last section I want to mention is the depth haze. It's also using AI model to generate a depth map, then to calculate the haze effect. You have to wait a moment to see the result. Okay, we get the depth haze directly, but if you switch the preview to the raw depth map, you can see here the near part is black and the far part is white. It's a reverse of the result built-in depth map generation process. You see, you can adjust the gamma to see the depth contrast. You see, you can adjust the near and the fog distance and switch to final to see the result. Adjust the color to have a better haze feeling. Okay, that's about all of my DreamCore plugin. Please, if you have any question to ask, just reply under the YouTube video. Thank you very much.